My name is Work, and currently I'm working as a web developer. And this is my very first video on this YouTube channel. I built up with this YouTube channel. We come up with the idea that help the other people learning programming become a programmer more easily. And I'm just sharing with you my own knowledge and my own experience. Sometimes it's not so good because basically I'm not a really professional developer. I'm just a guy, like maybe junior developer, sharing with you about what he know. So in this video today I'm going to teach you like how to basically fetch API using Polymer. So what are we waiting for? Just Okay, so right now we're going to dive into the project, and let me explain a little bit how I'm working on this video. Normally in other programming language we have something to init the project, something like npx create react app or something like that, and just in Polymer they have something like Polymer init. However, I'm not recommend to use this because sometimes it gets stuck for a while and I don't know why. I don't know how to explain it. I just feel uncomfortable when I'm using it. And so I'm ready to clone the project Polymer starter kit from the original Polymer. Here, this is the project after I clone. So I'm going to run cmd, open the command, and we're going to run yarn install or npm install, whatever you like. Is again, this is your choice. Okay, I'll wait for it. Okay, we already installed it, and right now when we open the project, as we can see something like my app.js, they have something like iron selector. It's basically your navigation, and iron page is same like we wrote in React.js, So let's head back to the command. Let's run yarn start and wait for it. Okay, so yeah, this is the project. We run it, and right now, like in the title of the video, I'm going to show you how to fetch API using Polymer 3.0, and you can check is on is like circle to more understand about how Polymer actually work. I will leave this link down below. Just see. Okay, right now I'm going to open the view one. Okay, so right now we already as we can see we have something like view one. This is the first page as display from FSC you open this project. So as you can see something like view one, view two, view three. There's three different page, and we're going to use view one as an example in this project. So as we can see in the live circle, they have connected callback. Call when element is added to a document can be called multiple times during the lifetime of an element. So basically, I'm going to use it to fetch API from the first time that when you enters the site. You can consider it same like component did mount in React.js. So connected callback, fetch, and we put the API here. Like the other programming language, in here I already have an example API for it. It is running. You can do this example by fetching other dummy API or something like that. But in this video only, I'm using my own API. So then we catch the response, an arrow function, response.json, like the other programming language. And then right now we cache the data from the response, and you can name it whatever you like, you know. And arrow function, normally in React in this step you're going to use something like set state, and then you're going to set all the data in that state, and later then you mapping the data using state. However, in Polymer we have something a little bit different. We're going to use this dot and name it whatever you like, just my post, and put it equal to data. So we also in Polymer we need to use something like template to mapping the data. Actually it just it's the way that I'm mapping the data in Polymer.js, and just erase some of this. Okay, it looked so long, it took me view it. So just right now we have something like is zoom repeat. This will help you. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot again. Okay, this will help you that to know to repeat all the object in this API. So let's see, we have items, and yes, in if you remember React, I usually compare Polymer with React because it's a little bit same, it's just different syntax. Okay, so items, you have something like and then you put my post is the variable that you that you put it when you catch the fetch API response. And yeah, it's the way they mapping the data, not using state or something like that. You just put to I don't know how to call this on English, I'm sorry guys. It's just but you can do is like item dot right now, or in my post just do something like id. Okay, item dot id, because different with React you have to use when you mapping states you're going to use my post dot id or something like that. But since you use template to repeat, you can use something like item s and item without s, because right now item that already understand is my post. So item.id. So let's save it, run it. Oh, I forgot something. It's just connect callback. You have to put something like super dot connected callback. That same like constructor in React. But yes, in Polymer they also have constructor. But when you call connected callback, you also need a super like that. Yes, right now we already get all the list of ID from all the posts right here. So let's try to get some more variable. Okay, something like post title and view one, right? So we put it right over here, item dot post, dot post title. Okay, save, and yes. Also, you successfully fetch API using Polymer.js already. I'm showing you how simple to fetch an API using Polymer. And moreover, you can go, if you feel like my English is not good, my accent is make you feel uncomfortable, you feel like annoying when you're stuck in my video, you can check out my Polymer blog. This is my own blog to help the other programmer learning Polymer more easier. Against just sharing with you what I know. It's just I'm not a professional developer or something. Okay, so I also have Polymer Fetch API here, and I have the description, and in the post I write it line by line, and you can see all this in with image, very detailed tutorial. I also put a GitHub demo for you if you will need it. And in GitHub demo, I also have the tutorial very detailed. Okay, if you get stuck in this project, just contact me through my social network, something like Facebook, Instagram. I put it here. It's in my about page. It's just about me, and you can see it. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a subscribe. To give it a like button so to support me, or you can give it a subscribe to follow the next video of the channel, and I'll see you.